In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the GPU initialization failed error in DaVinci Resolve step by step. Let's get started. First, I just want to say that my DaVinci Resolve is working fine right now. I'm recreating the problem to show you exactly how to fix it in case it happens to you. Now, if you try opening DaVinci Resolve and you get a black screen, a crash on startup, or a GPU error message, don't worry, this is a common issue. Now here's where most people get confused. They think their project is broken or that DaVinci Resolve is not working anymore, but in most cases, this problem is caused by incorrect GPU settings or outdated drivers. Before fixing it, let's quickly check your graphics card. Right-click on the Start menu and click on Device Manager. Then expand the Display Adapters section. If you see something like Intel UHD graphics, that means you are using integrated graphics. Now here's something important. DaVinci Resolve depends heavily on your GPU, and integrated graphics can sometimes cause startup errors or performance issues. But don't worry, you can still fix it. First, open your browser and go to the official Intel website. Search for Intel graphics drivers and download the latest version for your system. Once the download is complete, install the driver and restart your computer. Now if DaVinci Resolve opens, there's another important setting to check. Go to DaVinci Resolve, then open Preferences, and navigate to the Memory and GPU section. Look for GPU processing mode. If it's set to something else, switch it to Auto or OpenSeal, then save and restart the software. Now here's another trick that many people don't know. If DaVinci Resolve still doesn't open, try launching it while holding the Shift key on your keyboard. This can reset temporary startup settings and help bypass the error. Once everything is done, open DaVinci Resolve again. The software should now launch without the GPU error. And that's it. You've just fixed the GPU initialization problem in DaVinci Resolve. I hope this helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials.